iPhone 15 Pro was Samsung Galaxy S23 expected differences. Introduction. If you are looking for a powerful no compromise phone that is not too big, Apple's iPhone 15 Pro and Samsung Galaxy S23 are clearly the first two names that come to mind. Apple is expected to officially unveil the iPhone 15 Pro in September, but thanks to numerous leaks and insightful analyst reports, we know almost everything about the upcoming phone in advance. There are few big new features in the iPhone 15 Pro. First is the new A17 Bionic chip, the world's first mobile chip bullet on the cutting edge 3nm process, which gives it advantages in speed and efficiency. And then the switch to a USB-C port, the same as on all other gadgets, and also numerous smaller improvements to the camera system, a new action button, and a fancy new titanium frame. The Galaxy S23, on the other hand, it is still meticulously bullet, and it also features a powerful triple camera system and an excellent Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. Both phones are really of the same dimension. But the Galaxy is expected to be the one that weight less, and it is way more affordable too. So, which one should you go for? iPhone 15 Pro was Galaxy S23 expectations. iPhone to have the faster chip. Both have 6.1-inch screens. Galaxy to weight less. iOS on iPhone was Android on Galaxy. Similar camera capabilities. iPhone expected to have longer lasting battery. Galaxy expected to charge a bit faster. Table of contents, design and size. Both are similarly compact. Starting with the looks, both are 6.1-inch phones and both really have the same physical footprint. The bullet quality is expected to be very bit as premium as modern phones get, with a matte glass back on both of them. However, while the Galaxy uses an aluminium frame, the iPhone goes for titanium, a material that we have not yet seen used on smartphones. Titanium has an advantage of being better at resistant all kind of damage, and with an expected brushed finish, it will not catch fingerprint smugs easily too. One sore point of previous iPhone was they were quite heavy for their size, and titanium also helped in that as it weighed less than the stainless steel used before. Both phones comes with an IP68 water and dust protection rating, just as you'd expect on a 2023 flagship. Apple is said to make one change to the buttons, though it is still using physical keys for power and volume. Rumors claimed it could switch to haptic buttons, but the mute switch that has been on iPhone since the very beginning is now replaced with a new action button. This new button will be programmable, so you can set it to launch whatever function you prefer, and of course you can also set it to work as a mute key as before too. The Galaxy does not have such a button, and we do wish it had. It's such a nice little convenience. It in terms of ports, both are said to now use the same USB-C port at the same fast USB 3.2 speeds. So nice to have that on an iPhone and not have to deal with the lighting cables off, and no charger in the box for either one of these.